Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see the details about the Tata Punch, and we officially revealed the price details of the Tata Punch. Tata Punch, a new 5-seater micro SUV for Tata Motors, has been officially launched in India today. It is on offer with the same 1.2-liter petrol engine which powers the Tiago. It is mated to either a manual 5-speed gearbox or an AMT option. The price of the base empty variant starts from Rs 4.49 lakh ex-showroom. Tata Punch will deviate from the regular branding under XC, XM, XT and XZ nomenclature to more attractive, pure, adventure, accomplished and creative trim levels. Tata Punch Pure XCMT is priced from Rs 5.49 lakhs. Adventure Punch is priced from Rs 6.39 lakhs, while the Accomplished Punch comes at Rs 7.29 lakhs. Top of the line Creative Punch is priced at Rs 8.49 lakh. All prices are ex-showroom. All 4 variants of the Punch can be updated with respective packs at an additional cost. AMT is an offer with Adventure, Accomplished and Creative variants of the Punch. Base variant is pure variant, does not get the AMT option. For AMT you will be charged Rs 60k more. Along with the AMT and IRA Connect pack, the top of the line Creative Punch AMT will cost you Rs 9.39 lakhs. All prices are at showroom. Speaking about colors, Tata Punch will be presented in 7 color options at Atomic Grey Orange, Meteor Bronze, Daytona Grey, Calypso Red, Tornado Blue, Tropical Mist and ORCUS White. The micro SUV will stand 3,827 mm in length, 1,742 mm in width and 1,615 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,445 mm and boot space at 366 liters. The Punch will ride on 16-inch alloy wheels. The Tata Punch will come in with a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, IRA connected car technology and steering mounted audio controls. Its feature list will also include automatic climate control, cruise control and rain sensing wipers. Safety equipment will see features such as dual front airbags, ABS and EBD. It gets a 5-star rating from the global NCAP. It is now the safest car in India. Rear parking sensors, ISOFIX child seat mounts and central locking are also among its features. These safety features will be offered as standard across all variants. Its 90-degree opening doors allow for easy ingress and egress. Tata Punch will be offered with a single engine option. This 1.2-liter 3-cylinder naturally aspirated Revertron engine will offer 84 HP power and 113 Nm torque, mated to a 5-speed manual and a 5-speed AMT. The AMT gearbox will be offered on all variants except on the base pure trim. The advanced AMT comes in with Traction Pro mode for easy driving under challenging driving conditions. The Punch also sports brake sway control that detects instability under sudden braking conditions before ABS comes into play as to avoid swaying. Tata Punch will have to face up to the likes of the Mahindra KV100 NXT, Maruti Suzuki Ignis. In its price range, the Punch will also take on the likes of the Maruti Swift, Renault Kiga and Nissan Magnite. Tata Punch is expected to deliver strong sales, taking the Tata PV market share in the Indian auto industry get even higher. Please stay tuned to our channel for further updates. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.